welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm doing January's glossy box. I did miss out December's because I was super busy, but yes, I'm back on it now and we're going to do January's glossy box. So the box this month is just a regular pink normal box, nothing special about it. But let's see what's inside. So, the phone keeps vibrating. Okay, so I've got my little sheet. Ooh, ooh, what's that? Oh, okay. Let's find things off of here. So, Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. Oh, I see it. I can see it. This is a full-size item. Green Tea Primer. Another primer. I have so many primers at the moment, and I have nearly run out of the one I'm using. Is this too bright? Is it too bright? Anyway, so yeah, Green Tea Primer. Is it open? It's sealed, so that's good because I have a lot of primers I need to get through. And some of you have asked me to do a video on the Max Factor one that I got in the Greatest Showman movie box. So I'm definitely, like, that's the one I'm going to go on to next because it's the one that people have asked for. So I am definitely going to do that for you guys. So this says, a good primer is essential for flawless, long-lasting makeup, which is why we're so smitten with this. Packed with moisturising ingredients, including avocado oil and green tea extract, it'll nourish and protect your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines, yes, and large pores, yes, and help your makeup stay put for longer. It's cruelty and paraben free too. Okay, so far I'm definitely liking the sound of this. The RRP for this is £22. What? Wow, okay. This is a full size. It's not massive, but obviously as a primer, like my primers seem to last me a long time. So this would probably last me a long time, but it sounds really good. I have really bad lines, like here under my eyes, and my pores are huge, so I think I would really, really like that primer. Okay, so next up we've got Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Now, I think I got this in one of, it just looks really, and I'm sure that I have this, and I'm sure that I got it. Oh, sorry, yeah, so I'll show you the box, shall I? Oh my god, sorry, I'm going to have to put my phone on silent. It is doing my head in. What are you even doing? So anyway, this is the box, and this is what it looks like inside, and I'm sure I got this in one of my calendars. I have like a drawer that's got all my facial stuff in it, and obviously like I got about 5 oils. So I've got one out that I'm using, and then I'm going to try and do it like that. So this is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I bet it smells like rose water. Oh my god, I love it. So let's read about this. This is a good size as well, and this says it's the travel size. So the RRP is £55 for the full size, and this is a travel. But I feel like you would get quite a lot out of it. It's got, if I'm honest, it's got a very watery consistency as opposed to an oil consistency, because it obviously is rose water, I'm assuming. But yeah. So this gorgeous facial oil is packed full of skin enriching minerals and vitamins, which all work together to rejuvenate, renew and protect your complexion. Moroccan Rose is a potent source of vitamins A and C, plus antioxidants essential for protecting against free radicals. Pop these drops onto your fingertips and gently press into your skin, keeping it feeling hydrated and supple all day long. Okay, interesting. So obviously that's another really expensive product. I feel like I wouldn't buy these. Like, I'm glad that I got them in the box, but I feel like I wouldn't buy them because they're very expensive. So next we have a Nail Medic. Ooh. 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 Wow, look at that. You're supposed to shake it together. I don't want to shake it just in case you're not supposed to. Not tested on animals. Keep away from heat. And under 8-year-olds. It doesn't say anywhere shake it, which normally it would if it was like a definite shakeable thing. So let's read it. So we've got Nail Medic Nail and Cuticle Energizer, which obviously you guys know that I'm like really into nails now, so I just feel like I'm never going to have a time when my nails don't have something on them. But I guess, would you still use it for your cuticles when you've got acrylic on? Oh no. Oh no! So, if your nails are in need of some serious TLC, this reparative oil is just what you need. A delicious blend of vitamins, plant extracts, revitalising eucalyptus and soothing lavender. It gets to work on brittle nails, split cuticles and dry skin. Just massage a few drops into your nail bed and cuticles for instant hydration and stronger nails. But it doesn't say whether you're supposed to shake it. As you can see, there's like 2 parts to it. I don't know. It genuinely doesn't say. It doesn't say on here, and it doesn't say on here to shake, so I guess maybe you don't. Maybe I won't. Maybe I should just be good and not shake it. And the RRP, this is a full-size product. The RRP is $5.99, which is a really pretty decent price, to be fair. Oh my god, it smells... Oh my god. Hang on a minute, hang on a minute. I've got cream on my hands, so I can smell that as well, which makes this difficult, but... It smells like something from my childhood. It smells like some kind of medicine. It smells like some kind of medicine. Oh my god, what is it? I hate when this happens. Oh. It doesn't smell like nail varnish in any way, or nail varnish remover, or anything like that. I don't know whether it's like a child's cough medicine type thing. That's a little bit creepy. But I love it. I love it. I love stuff. I love a scent memory. It's amazing. But that is really interesting. Wow. Okay, I'm really interested to try that out. Really interested to try that out. Okay. So next up we've got, oh, a Pickia or Pissia, I don't know how you say that, cream blush in a tube. Pollen. Pollen? This is also full size. Oh, I should actually tell you how much is in everything, shouldn't I? So in here we've got 20ml. In here we have got 15ml, and this is a travel size, but I think it's a really good size for a travel size. And in here we've got 15ml, and in here we have got 20ml. So, cream blush. If you're new to cream blush, this couldn't be a better introduction. As with all Pickia products, it is rich in organic bee pollen to nourish skin. In a blush. What? For a subtle flush of colour, dab it on slowly and blend in, building up the colour as you need. A deep honey pink. This hue suits all skin tones. So, are there different shades of this, or is it all the same shade? I don't see a shade on it. I feel like this is just a one-off thing. But we've got to just... Am I in shot here? I can't. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Does it smell like honey? So that's kind of it, just dabbed. Oh, I think I might have just got it on my nose then. It's quite thick. I feel like this would be a nice summery type thing. I'm not big on, you can't really see it, but I'm not big on cream products like blush and stuff, because I'm kind of like, well, you would put your blush or your highlight on after your powder, and cream doesn't go well over powder. So I'm like, am I making sense here? But I feel like in the summer, if I'm not really wearing makeup, and I might just put a like a tinted moisturiser or some sort of like tinted primer type thing on, and then a bit of this on my cheeks maybe. So, doesn't really smell of honey though. So anyway, let's move on so this isn't like really long. The next one we have, the last one we have, oh, it's from Boots. Ooh, okay. Beauty Beneath supplements. Oh, wow. I haven't received any supplements, I don't think, in these boxes before. I'm going to start having these today. 60 capsules, 1 month supply. Shut up. Right, let me read this out to you guys. While serums and moisturisers are vital for great skin, they can only penetrate so far, which is why it's a good idea to boost your efforts with with a nutrient-rich supplement. The Beauty Beneath formula from scientists at Boots consists of 2 soft gel capsules taken daily, each packed with a complex blend of 90 nutrients essential for healthy, glowing skin. These nutrients work to boost your own collagen production, fading fine lines and wrinkles while leaving your skin softer than ever. Like, what? So this is what it looks like, and as you can see it says on there, fine lines and wrinkles, so obviously I'm going to be like super excited about that. Expertly designed to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture. Let's just open this up. I can't open it. Come on. I literally don't know how my nails are still on. I'm like a child at Christmas. All the time. But I want to just show you guys what's inside. Ooh. So they just come, oh my lord, these are huge. They just come like that, but look how big they are. I hope I can swallow these alright. I'm not the best with capsules and tablets, but they look silicone-y, so hopefully we'll be alright. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what they're like, and I'm definitely going to try those out and see if I notice any difference with the skin. However, these are $39.99. I really don't think I would be able to buy these again. Right, can I just say though, like, how much... I didn't even need to open that, I could have just slipped. No, I can't deal with myself sometimes. Anyway, yeah, how much is this box, this glossy box, worth? If all of these truly are the price that they say they are, like 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, over £100 in this box. So I just thought I'd throw that in there for y'all. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here because this is already a bit longer than I was hoping. I want to try to keep these to around about 10 minutes, but yeah, we've gone a little bit over. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you loads. I hope you're enjoying my videos lately. Hopefully we've got some exciting things coming, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!